Hello everybody, Cindy Grima here, Editor-in-Chief at LawMarketing.com, and today we're talking about supporting women attorneys with the challenges of today's law firm. I'm happy to be here with Kimberly Rice, who is the principal of KLA Market Associates, and Kimberly specializes and focuses on helping women with prospering in their legal careers. So Kimberly, welcome to our session here today.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Great. Now I know that over the last few months you've really honed in on working with women with the various challenges that are out there in their careers as attorneys. So what I'd love to do today is to have you share with us some of those challenges that you're seeing women kind of come up against and some of the resources that are available to support them so that they get that extra support when they need it when it comes to these challenges in the workplace.
Absolutely, Cindy. I mean, we see over and over again, and it's almost like a new study or a new statistic is released almost daily, in that, while women comprise the majority of the attorney account in law firms, they represent just a sliver, 4 to 5% of leadership. And, when we delve down into that, we find that, some of the issues that they're confronting in a mostly, male management-dominated work environment really are very disturbing for them to navigate around and to to accomplish what they need to accomplish to be successful. So, as you say, KLA has been working pretty in a focused manner over the last, I would say, almost year, working with women on how to move beyond the obstacles. Things that we see really border on, sexual harassment, gender discrimination. There's still the compensation gap for gender. Women are not making what men make. I believe the last count was 76 or 79 cents their compensation is for every $1 that a male colleague is compensated for, could be the exact same work and at the same level. So we work with women here at KLA Marketing Associates. Something that we found to be very, very effective is our Rainmaker Forum programs, in which we literally are a group of women lawyers trying to grow our practices, and it has evolved into a wonderful safe space that women can brainstorm their business challenges and move forward on the obstacles that they have. But likewise, and we hold these forums nationally, whether through webinars or face-to-face roundtables. Other resources that we have, come to know are oftentimes the state bar associations or county bar associations have women in profession committees. And there are usually some pretty good power players there. And I know that they are always seeking for programs that can respond to some of these needs. I mean, the very practical, results-oriented, and how to give the women lawyers the tools that they need.
And I know you mentioned a couple of organizations, too, that are available at the national level that can support women attorneys. And these issues are, they're here, whether we want to admit them or not. We know that women attorneys do have various challenges and that they can't always go or don't feel comfortable in going to their managing partners or others in the law firm that can provide that support. So can you share some of those resources with us, Kimberly, just so that our viewers can check into those?
Absolutely. I mean, I found that the American Bar Association, there's the Women Rainmakers Committee, is a wonderful, wonderful group of women, powerful business women, businesswomen as far as in the law, women in the law, and that there are numerous resources and tools available, depending on what the particular need is. There's also other kind of high-level executive women organizations that may or may not be available in a particular geographic space. However, the National Association of Women Lawyers, I know, is carved out quite a niche in their space, and a number of my colleagues are a member and active in that and have found that to be useful, as well as, as I said, the bar association, many bar associations have women in profession committees, and then not legal specific, but also a very high-level organization is the Forum of Executive Women. I don't know personally if all of them offer the type of one-on-one resources that KLA Marketing does. But you know, the help and the resources and the tools are there if you know where to search. And one of the things that we love to do here at KLA is to make those connections for women. So, you know, for any of your viewers or listeners, you know, if you need that extra boost or to jump on your career and you face these internal issues that are sometimes very politically explosive, that could be damaging to your career if the wrong move is made, then this is something that we work with all the time. We'd be happy to help them.
Great. Well, thank you, Kimberly. I mean, I've always sort of considered you as our women attorney resource here at lawmarketing.com, and I know we've done a couple of other videos to support women attorneys in the practice, and also some details on those statistics that you shared at the beginning here. So I know we're going to tap into some more. Thank you for joining us and sharing those resources, and I know we'll talk again soon.
Thank you, Cindy. Take care.